Hello everyone, this is Jaspreet from Super 50. So today let us talk about computer delivered IELTS test. So what is the difference between computer delivered IELTS test and pen and paper based IELTS test? There is no difference. You just have to, in the computer based you have to type, and in the pen and paper based you have to write. Only this is a little difference between both the tests. Rest of all modules are same. All the writing tasks, listening, reading, speaking, everything is same. So today we will talk about some advantages as well as disadvantages of taking computer based test. So what are the advantages first that we will discuss? So let's begin. First is easier to edit. Computer makes easier to edit the writings, and it is very easy for the students to organize their essays and their speech and all. So the second one is word count. In the pen and paper based IELTS test, in this you have to count the words like how many words you have written. But in the computer based, computer is automatically counting the words, and the word limit is moving downside, and we are coming to know that how many words we have written. The third one is less crowded test centers. In these kinds of tests, computer based tests, the test centers are less crowded, and these are more organized. And due to this, some students limit their amount of stress, and they are able to give paper very proper. And fourth one is handwriting. In the computer based test, we don't have to worry about messy handwriting, that how our handwriting is, and because we have to just type and have to give exam. So the last one is no flipping. This is especially for reading tasks, that the screen is divided into two parts. One is for the passage and second is for questions. You don't have to flip the sheets again and again to see what is the question and what is the answer, what is written in the passage. You have a screen that is divided into two parts. One side there is a passage and the second side there are questions, and due to this it is very easy for you to find the answers side by side. So now let us talk about some disadvantages of taking computer based test of IELTS. So the first is highlighting and making notes for computer based test is not easy, because you are not provided any kind of paper or pen to note or to highlight some words, or you just have to right click and you can highlight, but it consumes a lot of time to highlight the words in computer based test. So the next one is stress fatigue. In this, the students have tired eyes and sore head, because some students feel very tiring and their head start paining, because some students find it very difficult to see on the screen for multiple hours, because the eyes start tiring and the head start paining also. So the next one is typing sound. If you are like me, I need a lot of silence to do my exam or to focus on something. But if you are sitting in computer delivered test, you are giving computer delivered test, in that what is happening, that the sound of typing disturbs you, because there are some students who are also giving exam in your surroundings, and the typing sound of them disturbs you, due to which you are unable to focus on your exam. So the last is, not everyone is comfortable in giving computer based exam, because IELTS exam is stressful enough, and if you are getting nervous in giving computer based exam, in practicing that, then your exam day will be getting very stressful. You will be very stressed on that day, because you will be unable to focus on your exam, as well as you will be unable to type properly. There are a number of pros and cons of giving IELTS computer based exam, but these kinds of pros and cons are not going to impact your scores. They are just going to impact your day, your experience of your exam. If you have taken your exam, IELTS exam for multiple times, and you are not getting desired band scores, So it means you are having a problem in any of the 4 skills. You just have to focus and you should come to know that where you are lacking behind, and you have to practice for that, you have to prepare for that so that you could get the desired scores for your IELTS exam. So know your weakness and start improving it to get your desired band scores. And it is your choice to give pen and paper based, or if you are very good in typing, so you can give computer based exam. So it will not affect your scores. Thank you and have a nice day.